Start tab. The Start tab is actually an AutoCAD file tab. So up here we have a tab, which is one of our very first tabs that we'll create. So the first thing we want to look at is get started. When we want to start a drawing, we just click on this button right here, and this will start us a 2D drawing. If we start on this, this will be a 3D model. Remember, AutoCAD 1 class is all 2D drawings. 3D modeling with AutoCAD is all 3D drawings. Down here we have some drawing templates. When I click on this button here, I end up with some various templates. Remember, templates are a starting point. And so the most common one we'll use in this class is ACAD.DWT. That's good old normal English feet and inches. Also, if we have an existing drawing, we're going to click on this button here, which is Open Files. Now, if we had opened files in the past, we have a set of recent documents. And in these recent documents, we have a list of what we opened, and therefore you can see the thumbnail of those existing drawings in some details. We have different ways of displaying them down below. We can click, I can click over here and have them, just with the thumbnail, etc. So that's your user preference of how you want to do that. Over on the right, we have notifications. This is when Autodesk, the makers of AutoCAD, are trying to give you information about things about how your software is working. So it'll tell you that it needs software upgrades and stuff like that. And in this case, it's telling me I need to turn on my hardware acceleration to improve my graphics performance. But I turned it off because I was having some technical issues with mine. Connect. Connect is a way in which we can log into online services. A360 provides us with a bunch of cloud-based tools such as rendering in the cloud for 3D rendering, and we can use file collaborations if we work in teams. So we also have a variety of resources out there to use that. We also can send feedback in if you have some crashes and things like that that you want to report. So you can do that. And the very first time you start AutoCAD 2016 up for the first time, or AutoCAD for the first time, you will have down at the bottom, you're going to end up with two different buttons, one that says Learn and the other one that says Create. And if you pick on the Learn, it's going to help you with tools that will give you some training about AutoCAD. But once you've used AutoCAD for the first time, they go away. So you see mine are gone. But the very first time, those are there. So this Start tab is what we're going to see when we launch AutoCAD. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my very first drawing. I'm going to start a 2D drawing. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that my Start tab is still there. It's up on a File tab. I can click on it. It comes back. But now I have what's called Drawing 1. You can think of this as a sheet of paper now ready to go to draw on it. So that's what our Start tab is.